I am a student of SAS Institute of the Management Study, MMA first year. Today the topic of my presentation is like cost of capital. Subject is like financial management, preparation by the Hardik sir. Cost of the capital. This is one of the most important roles in like financial management in the part of like cost of capital. Like I will say something about like very short details about like cost of capital, like meaning definition, how to use something work, and why should we use the like cost of capital. So let's see. So definition, one of the most important part like the cost of capital like definition. So definitely something said about like the cost of capital is the minimum required rate of the earning or the cut of the rate expenditure. It is the required rate of the return invested funds. So signification of the cost of capital, like most important details given by the signification of the cost of capital. Basically, the helpful capital is the budgeting, helpful in the capital structure decision, helpful evaluating the financial performance. Basic of the financial decision is like the dividend policy, the working capital decision, etc. Type of the cost of capital. They have given the four type of the cost of capital. Like first is like cost of debt is like called like KD. Second like cost of the preference share is like called like KP. Third is like cost of the equity share is called like KE. And fourth is like cost of the return earnings share is like called like KR. So cost of debenture. They again the important roles is like financial management is part of the cost of capital. So it says something about like it may have defined the returns it expected by the pension investor at the debt security of the firm. It's like 2 points is like most important. It's like first is like it is represented by the K or KD. Second is like it is calculated as a before tax cost. Calculation of cost of the redeemable debt capital. Basically they have given a short formula. It's like KD is equal to I plus bracket MV minus NP is bracket complete oblique N divided by the bracket is like MV plus NP bracket complete oblique 2 into 100 is like where is like I is equal to like interest, MV is equal to like the maturity value, NP is equal to like net proceeds, N is equal to number of the years to the maturity. The calculation of the cost of the irredeemable debt capital, like KD is equal to bracket I oblique NP bracket complete into 100 where I is equal to like interest, NP is equal to like net proceeds. So cost of preference share capital. So cost of preference share capital have given us something small details. Is like cost of preference share is like capital is a term of the fixed rate of dividend. It is calculated as after tax cost preference share, redeemable preference share, irredeemable preference share. So the redeemable preference share capital is one of the most important part of the like financial management. Here given us something very small information like so a small formula is like KP is equal to like PD plus bracket MV minus NP bracket complete oblique N divided by the bracket is like MV plus NP bracket complete oblique 2 into 100 is like where is like PD is equal to like preference dividend, MV is like market value, NP is like net proceeds. So cost of the redeemable preference share capital is like KP is equal to bracket PD oblique NP into 100 where is like PD is equal to preference share dividend, NP is like net proceeds. Cost of the equity. They are the most important roles like financial management is the cost of equity. So they have given us very small details about like the cost of equity. Let's see. It is an annual rate or return that is the investor expect to the earn in investing share is company is denoted by the T. There is no commitment pay equity dividends. It is they have solely direction board of director. A director to pay her not pay dividend like decide at what rate dividend the pay and equity shareholders. So calculation of the cost of equity, the share capital. Basically they have given a small information about like the equity. So basically they have divided by the unit method. K is equal to bracket DPS oblique MPS bracket complete into 100. K is equal to like cost of equity share capital. DPS is equal to dividend per share. MPS is equal to market price per share. Earning ability method is KE is equal to bracket EPS oblique MPS bracket complete into 100. So where is KE is equal to cost of equity shares capital, MPS is equal to market price per share, EPS is equal to earning per share. Dividend ability plus growth method. K is equal to bracket is like DPS oblique MPS or NP is equal to 100 bracket complete plus G is where like G is like growth of rate. NP is equal to like net proceeds, MPS is equal to market price of per share, DPS is equal to like dividend per share. cost of the return earning, we have given a small detail about like that. So it is like opportunity cost of the foreign dividends. It is represented by the care. The earning by the return are already after tax. Cost of the return earning is like KR. Cost equity share capital is like KE. Thank you so much guys. You can listen to my presentation and watch my video. Thank you so much guys.